Hey guys, man, a little upset doing our morning walk and the gimbal died on me. So now you guys get to deal with shaky footage. Shaky footage ain't no fun. That is no fun. So we're gonna take the shortcut through this field to get back home because I'm a little upset. But hey, life is still good, because you woke up today. Any day you can wake up's a good day. So we're gonna cut through the field, get back to the house, and start the day. Go see what we can make today. Gonna make something today. You gonna make something today? That's the key. Got to be creative. Find something, and don't just wait for the day. Think about it the night before. You can plan the night before and say, you know what? Tomorrow I'm gonna make something. And if you can't think of something to make, hey, start simple. Just say, I'm gonna make a glorious day. I'm gonna make it a glorious day. Oh, I should not have walked through this field, man. There's sand spurs and fire ants, and I'm in sandals. Oh my goodness, this is crazy. It's supposed to be a morning motivational video, and it becomes a adventure. But yes, make something. If you're feeling a little down, feeling a little out of it lately, feeling like something's missing, see, back into the light. Feeling like you're in the dark. Make something. Maybe that's what you're missing. They say we're born in the image of the Creator. Well, that makes us creators. It means you have to create. I think we feel a little empty when we're not making stuff. We feel like we're missing our purpose. I think we get a little confused sometimes when we don't know what to make. Honestly, just make it an awesome day. That's all you gotta do. Make your way into the fullest you just by being authentic today. Explore yourself a little bit. Slow down and ask yourself some simple questions. Who am I? What am I here to do? Where am I going? Life is only as complicated as we make it, I know there's some stressful things like paying the bills and just surviving and staying alive. But there's time. We can make time to just relax and unwind and ease our mind. Mental health is some serious stuff, That's my morning motivation to you. Slow down this morning. Slow down. Don't rush out. Fix your mind first, all right? Fix your mind first. Get in a good state, because if you're not in the right state of mind, you can't help anybody. Don't go out into that world all grumpy and upset, full of angst and anxiety. Go out into that world refreshed, rejuvenated, at ease, at peace, in the calm. That's my word to you. And if you're having trouble doing that, you might need to wake up a little bit earlier. Seriously, get up a little earlier. Get up an hour earlier and enjoy that sunrise. Enjoy that. Enjoy that peace. So you're not rushing out into the frantic world. That's my word to you. Hey, subscribe to the page if you haven't done so already. Subscribe to the page if you haven't done so already, baby. Come on, let's spread this thing. It's the Love Someone Today movement. You can check me out on Instagram at Mark Drew Speaks. Hey, we're trying to flood the internet with words of life, light, and love. There's enough garbage out there. Let's clean this place up. All right? Love someone today. Peace.